Thanks for tapping in, and I am excited because today is the day for my new dining table set. First, this is the current set that I had. I've had it for approximately 10 years. I wanted to upgrade or update, and House Dining Collection is what I selected. The older set, I gave it away. I blessed someone with it, and now the Ashley Furniture team, they're bringing in my new set and they're going to assemble it right here in this open space. If you are in search of a new dining table set, do give Ashley Furniture a try. This is not a collaboration. I just believe in their furniture. The quality is great, the prices are good, and the service is good. So I have a team of folks here in my home today. They're going to assemble my new table. I am super excited. And while they continue to work, I just want to give a shout out to my subscribers and especially those who have recently subscribed. I thank you for your support to my channel. Without you, I would not have a channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you very much. If you are in need of a table set, again, do check out Ashley Furniture. They have quality tables. They have quality furniture, but specifically, I am receiving a dining table set, but they have quality furniture. The prices are good, the service is good, and the delivery is prompt. So I'm excited to get my new table set today. What I've selected is from the House collection. Just look online or visit your local Ashley Furniture store. Again, this is not a collaboration. This is the third table set I've purchased from Ashley, and the quality of their products is absolutely great. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. And before I give a sign off on this video, I certainly want to give a shout out to Allie and Sammy. Allie and Sammy are two wonderful people that I met during the process of purchasing this table set. Allie and Sammy, if you are listening or if you watch this video, I just want to let you know how grateful I am for your customer service, your customer support, and Ashley Furniture should be proud to have you on their team. Everything is complete, is put together. I'm loving the selection that I picked out. This table seats 6 and also seats 8. First, let me show you how it looks for 6 seats. I just came up with a quick design to show you. Now it seats 8 seats. It's not crowded at all. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.